Hello everyone, welcome to MySpace Kannada. Today we are starting a mathematics class, circles first, and especially about tangent to the circle. Before going to tangents, let us discuss some important points before tangent. First one is non-intersecting line. Let us look at the picture. The line PQ and the circle have no common point. Here PQ is called non-intersecting line. The second point is secant. Look at the picture. There are two common points A and B that the line PQ and the circle have. In this case, we call the line PQ a secant of the circle. Now the important point of this topic, tangent. Look at the picture here. There is only one point A which is common to the PQ and the circle. Here the line PQ is called a tangent to the circle of center O. Let's look at the definition of a tangent. Tangent to the circle. Tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. Let's look at the important notes. There is only one tangent to a circle at a point. The common point of the tangent and the circle is called the point of contact. Let's go through the theorem. Statement of the theorem: the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Let's look at the picture here. A circle, there is a circle with center O and the radius is OP. XY is a tangent and we have taken a point Q on the tangent and joined OQ. OQ is intersecting the circle on point R, so OR also a radius. Given a circle with center O and tangent XY at a point P. To prove OP perpendicular to XY construction, take any point Q other than P on the tangent XY and join OQ. Proof: hence Q is a point on the tangent XY other than the point of contact P. So Q lies outside the circle because there is only one point of contact to a tangent. Let OQ intersect the circle at R. Therefore, OP is equal to OR, as OP and OR are radius of the same circle. Now, OQ is equal to OR plus RQ. This implies OQ is greater than OR and OQ is greater than OP because OP is equal to OR. Therefore, OP is the shortest distance to the tangent from the center O. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to XY because perpendicular distance is always the shortest distance.